Okay guys, on this one we've got a pentagonal pyramid shape that is intersected with a plane or cutoffs, creating this transition. So we're going to call it a sheet metal transition. We're going to do the flat development. So first again, what we have to do is find the true lengths of these lines. They're all leaning away from us, or towards us, and away from us, so nothing is true length. So the way to do that, we'll do a vertical line. And then we start measuring from the point to the point, or the distance along the floor. I'm going to label these things first. We're going to call this A, B, C, D, and E, and then we'll call this point X. And we're going to forget about the cut for right now and develop this full pyramid as if it was a complete pyramid. So I'm going to measure the distance from A to X with my compass. Right there. And put my A mark right here. Of course, this is the height of it. This is the length of the line as it leans back. So there's our first true length line. Now to find the length of B. There. This is the true length of line B. Line C. So there is C. Measurement of D, X to D, X to E, it's a little bit shorter. This is point X. So in this diagram we have the true length of A, B, C, D, and E to X. So A to X, B to X, C to X, D to X, E to X. These are all the true length lines. Now we need to start our development. Now this is equal on the 5 sides. Each one of these are the same length. Just to show you that. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start by doing the ABX triangle. So I'm just going to put a line here. And of course I've done it too long, but I'm going to put a point A right there. Then I'm going to measure from A to B. Right there. And I'm going to measure that right there. I'm going to use this geometric construction technique to create a triangle using the lengths and a compass here. So we need the length of A to X. Right there. And I'm going to construct a curve. Then B to X. Put my point on B. And find X. So this is X. That creates the ABX triangle. So that's this one done. Now we're going to do the BC to X. We've already got BX. So now we've got to find the distance along the base again, which is the same as this one, right? Draw an arc. And then we're going to find the true length of C to X. So come down to our chart here with the true lengths. Measure off that distance. Put my point on X. And then we have found C. construct that triangle. CXB, CXB. Again, set the distance along my base. Throw that arc. Now I've got to find line D. So the true length of D right here, put my point on X, construct that arc. This finds point D. Next is XDE. XDE, we have X to D. Gotta find this length again. And if you got two compasses, it's really handy because you can just set it to this first length and reuse it. So somewhere along this arc is point E. So now I've got to find the length of the line E. So I'll come over here, measure it from X to E. My point on X. There is point E. To X. So XDE, XDE. Now we've got to go XEA. We've got XE. Let's find the true length of E to A. Here, so somewhere along this arc, and then of course this is going to be the A to X, same as this one, because that's where they're going to meet. So I'll find A again. And I can validate that if it's the same as this one. Yep. E to A to X, we'll label that A. So we've got our first triangle right here. Our second triangle, XBC, XBC. Third triangle, CDX. EXD. And I guess we'll use another color for this one. Right here. So that gets our pyramid built. Now we gotta worry about this part that's cut off. Well, if I imagine this is all gone, it's just another small triangle. So what we can do in order to find that is we can just project this across. Now we have our lengths here. This is our B, our A, our C, our E, and our D, right? So I can measure that length. Let's do the A length. Right here. So on A, we're going to be here, and this is also A, right? So there. Go to B. It's going to be that distance right there, B. Line C. And C is there. D. Right here. And finally E. Is right here. So we can go ahead and truncate this right here. And all this will be gone. And there it is, darkened up a little bit for you. So we'll cut this out, fold it up. A line will join with the A line, and that will create our transition. And so let's see if this thing works. And there it is.